Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I'd like to talk to you about how completely awesome kids are.
Barb Makes Things!
If you've been watching for a while, you'll know that I work with kids. I teach them to use tools, I help them figure out how to design and build their own projects. I'm in the privileged position of getting to see the truth of young people on a regular basis. I take offense when people call an adult's irresponsible behavior childish, because I regularly see 7-year-old children responsibly using chop saws. Childish only means totally irresponsible if you have very low expectations of children who are old enough to attend school. And given some of the things I've heard in the media lately about what kids are and aren't able to achieve, I have to assume that these people don't actually have experience with kids. They must not have witnessed the things that I see all the time. So I just want to tell you a few of the really impressive things that I've seen. One 8-year-old girl came into Rediscover Center with a goal. She had this very large dog who was getting older, and she knew that he was going to be having trouble walking soon. So she designed and built a dog cart. She worked with intense focus on getting all the details right, including sturdy wheels, sides that converted to ramps, adjustable handles, and even a mesh-covered opening in the bottom for the dog to relieve himself, with like tracks and a slide-in litter box to catch it. Brilliant. It was a long project, difficult, totally nailed it. Recently, we worked with an 11-year-old boy who has a website detailing ways to live green in LA. He's done interviews with public officials, he makes regular blog posts, and he made a banner about why he did this so he could present about it. He came in, learned to use the tools, and then built a collapsing stand and travel box for that banner. It's got a hand crank to roll it up. Kids even got business cards. Those are just a couple examples of individual projects. You get kids together bouncing ideas off of each other. Whoa, get out of the way. I was fortunate enough to judge a teen tech hackathon recently, where groups of middle and high schoolers presented insightful solutions to problems that they identified themselves, like bullying, self-harm, school safety, and homeless LGBT youth. This was a one-day event, and it was mostly just prototypes that they were able to get done, though some were working prototypes. But I so hope these kids continue what they started. They'll do so much good. See, it's not just that kids can accomplish things that a lot of people associate with adulthood. Kids have an advantage. They have these wildly creative minds that we adults often let just slide into our history. The brilliance happens when you let their creative minds build real things. This is why my job is the coolest. Kids aren't the same as adults, obviously. They're still developing their minds and bodies, dexterity, decision-making, and absorbing just general information. But there is nothing about being a kid that means you can't be impactful, which is why I'm excited to see young people speaking up right now. Kids, I am so proud and amazed by you every day. Keep it up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.